our other big story, we are a day away from the trial for a former Portsmouth police officer, Stephen Rankin.
The judge who will preside over the case said today that things will go on despite a request to delay the trial. Rankin is accused of killing 18-year-old William Chapman outside the Walmart on Frederick Boulevard last year. Tonight, a look at what the jury and we should expect in the coming days from this high-profile case. 10 on your side's Deanna LeBlanc has more for us. Deanna?
Yeah, Anita, a lot of motions hammered out in court today, but perhaps the most important one, the trial will not be continued and no change of venue was granted. Rankin's defense team had hoped for both of those, but Judge Morrison says jury selection will begin tomorrow as planned. It's been 15 months since Stephen Rankin, then a uniformed officer with Portsmouth PD, shot and killed 18-year-old William Chapman. Chapman's family says they hope the jury sees Rankin, since fired from the department, for who they believe he really is.
I just hope that he get convicted. I really do. I just hope they see past like his badge and he was an officer and he was saying that he was right, because he was surely wrong, and I just hope that they see through it.
Rankin's attorney declined comment outside court today. Judge Johnny Morrison denied their third attempt to continue the trial and move it to a new location. The defense had concerns about violent protests or violence directed at the defendant.
We have been very peaceful for a whole year, over a year. So why would we start violence now? That don't make sense.
The judge also denied the defense's motion to mute audio recordings by Officer Rankin's taser. The attorneys say Rankin can be heard saying, quote, "This is my second one." Rankin shot and killed another man in 2011. A grand jury cleared him, and that shooting will not be admissible in court. But Judge Morrison ruled the taser audio can be played.
My prayers got answered. I'm just so excited. I just can't even talk right now.
The Commonwealth tried to keep William Chapman's juvenile criminal record out of the courtroom. Judge Morrison ruled that will be admissible. Neither side has said what might be on that record. And Judge Morrison also ruled that the jury will not be sequestered as the defense had requested. Instead, he says he will give them some very specific instructions about what they can and cannot do with their phones, what they can read, what they can look at. And spectators, this is new, will not be allowed to even bring turned-on phones into the court building, not just the courtroom. That is because the defense said they were concerned people may take photos of witnesses and then post those to social media. Live in Portsmouth, I'm Deanna LeBlanc. 10 on your side.
Deanna, thank you. Portsmouth police tell us they are ready to respond if any protests get out of control. Tall, portable cameras were up and ready today outside court. Supporters of the Chapman family say they plan to rally there tomorrow at 8 a.m. and have encouraged supporters to, quote, pack the courtroom. Jury selection begins at 10, and 10 on your side will be there. And of course, you can stay updated on this case and check out our past coverage from wherever you are anytime on wavy.com.